Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
So I am playing the prayer and we get started.
ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम् ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्युषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्यो मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्.
All right. So good morning, everyone. Today I could see people, 68 students. Okay, and this is the first time probably 69 students have joined. So today only I should talk to them because otherwise, I don't feel like saying anything to those who are present, right? So there are consistently hardly the number is below 25 those who are present, right? And I don't want to simply scold them for not attending the class because they are the ones who are attending the class, right? Now, how do I know who has missed the class? It just takes me to install Insight app and it tells me. Okay, so I put the Insight app here. So if the day we have started doing any meeting, in all the meetings who has not attended, all data will come. Okay, so now you people feel that, okay, there are no marks for attendance, so why should I attend the class? Right, I am intelligent enough, I can just go on the day of exam, I will write the quiz, I will get marks, right? Man cannot say anything. That is what is the mentality. So because, okay, 1 class, 2 class, 3 class, we will have placement, but not in every class. Right? And what your seniors used to do, they were really nice, they used to have, if they have suppose placement from 11:30 till 11:20, they used to attend the class. That kind of sincerity was there. Now I don't know what will I convey to your juniors. Okay, so they also had placements, but they used to tell me that, ma'am, we have placement at 11:35, 11:30, so we will leave 5 minutes before. I used to say, okay, you don't tell me, but you simply leave the class. They used to do that. Okay, so and that really helped them. How it helped them is, okay, here objective type questions you will answer, but you have to face viva, students, right? All of you have to face viva. You may be intelligent enough, but viva is a one-to-one interaction, right? Where what your teacher will do, your teacher will definitely make out you have attended class or not. right? I am not telling you that I will grill you based on that. You would have taken my feedback before only that I am not very bad during Viva, but definitely I will know, what I have taught in the class because everything may not be in the slides and you may not have time to go through the recorded video all the time, right? So I would have definitely told, some concepts that we use that I would like to know during Viva. So I will come to know that you have not attended the classes. So, in last year also we had two Vivas, and end semester Viva. You asked your seniors, those who had your batch, those who had taken my lecture, computer system, in computer system engineering. I used to make out, and I used to tell them also. Maybe you are one of the students. I
Excuse
used
me,
to tell
ma'am.
them. Yes.
Ma'am, have you joined the session from phone and sharing your screen on laptop itself?
No, no, I am not joined through phone. I am not able. I am not audible.
I I mean the same previous disturbance is
Acha.
coming again.
Okay. Okay.
Um,
All right. Am I audible?
yes, ma'am. You won't be joined through the. There is some.
Is it fine now? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, good, good Priya that you told me because today's session is I want to actually talk to because there are some students whom I am seeing now and I know I will again see them only at the time of exam. Am I audible? It is very
Yes,
important for you to audible. Hmm? Am I audible?
yes, ma'am. You are right now.
Yes, so students, it is really sad to see you all today, because if you were really genuine, then today also you should not have attended the class, right? So if you are thinking, you are great enough, yes, I do know you have taken this subject because you don't want to spend time in preparing for the subjects. Your focus is placement. I do understand that. Okay, but and once you come here, you will write the exam and you will do well also. Maybe those who are not attending, they may be scoring 10 on 10. Okay, right? But it does not mean that you should not attend the classes, students. So I was telling you, I really appreciate your seniors. So I was giving you an example. I don't know I was not audible, so I am repeating that. Okay, what they used to do if their exam is at 11:30, they used to attend
Ma'am,
class at
you are-
11:25. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. You
Yes.
are audible, ma'am. I heard all this.
Okay.
Just that there was
Okay.
some disturbance slightly.
Okay. All right, students. So, see, something like that is expected from you. I do understand you have lot of things to do, but it is not going to be less. This is a practice period for you. Once you go join your jobs, the life will not be simplified. It will be more complicated. You will have to do more tasks together. Okay, I do understand you have, you don't want to listen to the class, but you must also understand that, there is something that may not be available in the slide. It is not possible, right? While teaching, I do tell my experience, right? Any teacher will tell, any experienced teacher will tell their experience of solving a problem or something that you cannot find in slides and recorded video. Why should you waste time in listening to the recorded video? One day before the exam, you cannot spend 6 hours or say 7 hours to go through all the lecture videos that would have happened. So you have only one way to go through the slides, and only reading slides may not help you, right? And then you have to face Viva also. So I am not saying that I am going to trouble you during Viva, but definitely, you ask computer system engineering students. I used to catch them during Viva. I used to say this was taught in the class. So were you not there in the class? So then they will say, yes, ma'am, because of this, I was not in the class. Okay. So I'm not scaring you, but this is something I really wanted to convey only to you, because those 25 students, those who are attending every day, why should they get scoldings on your behalf? So I want this attendance strength. How many of you are there now? Let me check. Oh, all 75 people are attending. 75 attendees means one is absent, because one is myself. Okay. So only one student is absent. Now I understand who is that, because that student had sent me a message that, she has some placement or something, some TCS interview is there, and she is not well also. Okay. So I want this kind of attendance in every class, students. Okay. It is not, it is like, I definitely take it as a disrespect to the teacher, and you never disrespect a teacher, you disrespect your own self, right? And for me, it doesn't matter if even if there are two students, I will teach with the same excitement. I'm really excited to take all my classes, right? So I will take with the same energy, even if there are two students or there are 150 students or 75 students. So you are not disrespecting me, you are disrespecting yourself, and one should respect oneself. Okay, so I want this attendance to be there, students. I am not telling that, I will catch you during Viva and all, but you will definitely have problems. Okay, if I don't ask a question simply, if I just twist the question, you may not be able to answer. All right. Okay, fine. So, and the other student, I surprisingly, one student requested yesterday that, ma'am, I have this issue. I cannot attend the quiz. Kindly allow me to write quiz 4. So I was really wondering that the students don't even know that there is no quiz for this time. Okay, so very upsetting. First of all, we are not attending classes, and then we are not even catching up what is there in the class. It has already been told there will be quiz 1, quiz 2, and quiz 3 will also be there after quiz 2, and we will be taking best 2 out of those 3 quizzes. So all your issues, AUMS issues, absent, if you are absent in one quiz due to genuine reason, all will be taken care under that quiz 3. That has been already announced, but you people are not even aware of that. Many of you. Okay, fine. So let us start with the quiz now. So the quiz starts at 8:40 and the time is only till 9:05. Okay. The quiz is for actually hardly for 5 minutes, but I have given 10 minutes, students. You are able to see the quiz, right? So the password I need to tell.
Yes.
Yeah. So the password is DFS123BFS. Let me
Ma'am,
see. Yeah.
ma'am,
You want me
the
to type it in
course
chat?
code is 15 CSE 311, no, ma'am?
No, not 311. 311 is
Three,
data
three.
structure code.
It's 331.
331.
Okay, okay. But I
15
am
CS
not able to see it there, ma'am. So the
331.
331, it is the
Yeah.
first link in the
That
test. Quizzes.
I don't know. It is 331 in your.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Just now I got it, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, it is 331, and the password is DFS. DFS is for depth first search. Small DFS. 123 BFS. BFS is breadth first search. Everyone
Can
should start.
start,
Yeah.
ma'am?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
small.
yeah, yeah. All small letters.
Uh,
DFS 123 BFS. Yeah. Let me write it here. In phone, I was not able to get it. Hmm. DFS. This is small. All of you should start, students. Do not wait for your friends to finish because there are randomized questions. All of you should start, students. I can see only 32 students have started. You please start because last minute AUMS issues, we cannot do anything, right? I told you nothing can be done. You be careful only. You need to press only next. Don't press save or something. Don't leave after your quiz, students. You have to be, the class is there till 9:20. Okay. Anybody is having AUMS issue, I told you, right? The quiz 3 will be taking care of it. So 9.5 is the time limit, students. It must be submitted for all, and 9.5 I have set for you can see the feedback also. 9.5. Okay, so you can see your marks now. And as I told you that any issue you faced in AUMS, that has to be taken care by writing quiz 3. Okay, so that's it, students. Yeah. I don't know why still 2 students are writing. Are you able to see the feedback, students? Marks?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Let me also see who is missing, who did not write. Because if it is showing 1, 2 in progress, that is some problem because only 1 has done. Let me see who has not submitted. Manasa has scored 10. Then Chandana. Chandana informed me that she will not write the quiz. Fine. She wanted to write quiz 4. Okay. Quiz 4 is not there. Please tell her quiz 4 is not there. She can write quiz 3. Then Nagendra Kaushik. Are you there, Nagendra Kaushik? Nagendra Kaushik is also not written.
Ma'am, I
Huh?
wrote it. I submitted as well.
It is you can see my screen, right? Nagendra Kaushik, no submission.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I submitted 10 minutes ago.
18031.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. Then you have to write quiz 3 then. I don't know what happened
I
here.
wrote all the 10 questions I submitted, ma'am, within 8 minutes.
But see here, it is saying no submission. Okay, then. Okay, let me just check it out. What has happened? I don't know whether I can do anything or not because see, for rest everybody. You wrote my quiz only, no, or some other subject you tried.
Same quiz. I wrote the
Same quiz, right?
today's quiz.
Yeah. Yeah, rest everybody's is mentioned here. Yeah. I don't see anybody else who is absent here. Okay, 775. You can see the feedback, students. Feedback will tell you the correct answer. And yeah, Sai Prashant, yeah.
Can we ask doubts also now?
Yes, you can ask.
Ma'am. Mm.
Yes.
Yeah, you asked, Priya.
Yeah, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. So the question is minimum of f of n and g of n equals to theta of f of n plus g of n.
Ha. So what is the correct
When
answer?
I'm telling you, so the suppose it is n cube and log n, ma'am. So minimum
Priya,
of n cube.
Priya, 1 minute, Priya, just 1 minute. Okay, I am just 1 minute. Just hold on. I just want to confirm it. Yeah, because one is Chandana and another one is Kaushik, and Kaushik is present here and he says he wrote the quiz. That's all. 2 discrepancies. I don't know, Kaushik, what has happened, but definitely I will see. I can ask the back-end team that you had written the quiz.
Ma'am, can you try refreshing the page, ma'am, if anything will change or...
Acha. That may happen. Yeah.
That's a good idea. Yeah. No, but by the time I checked, you said that you have actually done. You said that you had actually submitted before, no?
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
It's good to have the quiz in first hour only, because later on we are having end semester exams nowadays. Today is Wednesday. I don't know. They had to reschedule many exams of end semester because of the load in AUMS. So I don't know why it is not coming now. Anyways, I will check. Yes. Meanwhile, we will check. Priya, your question. Sorry, I forgot to tell one thing. I mean, I did not specify in that question. Min means minimum of those two. Okay, and max means max. There were
Yes,
two
ma'am.
questions, right?
I misinterpreted.
I
Yes,
forgot
ma'am.
to mention. Huh. You took it that way only. No,
There is
minimum means.
another. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I opted correct only. I thought it was marked wrong. Another doubt one I have, ma'am. So the question is
No.
order.
1 minute. 1 minute, Priya. There are two questions. One is min and one was max, right? So
Yes,
few of you would have got min, few of you would have got max. So is the
I
doubt
got.
clear? Just yeah.
I got both, ma'am. Like one is false and another is true. That is clear, ma'am. So I have one
It is
more doubt. So can
yeah.
I ask?
Yeah. You can ask. You can
Yes.
ask.
So the question is the intersection of order of g of n and omega of g of n is uh, null set or not?
Ha. So see here the important thing is they both are small, not theta. And they are not big or big.
Oh,
Understood?
yes,
Right?
ma'am. I didn't notice actually.
So see you
Ah,
it was because small and small omega and theta. One day I had told you, right? Only once I taught that was strictly less than or strictly greater than. No, so that equal will not be there. So the set will be null only, right?
yeah.
Correct.
I
Yes.
I didn't notice it.
So students, let me tell you, not because I want any appreciation from you, but making the quiz of this subject is really difficult in AUMS, because what happens is, let's say I have written all these mathematical symbols in Word, okay, but it doesn't allow me to copy it in the AUMS. Okay, because in AUMS, while giving these mathematical symbols, theta, omega, small, what I need to do is, in AUMS there is a format that is called as I have to select rich text editor. It doesn't allow to copy. So I have to type all the questions. You won't believe it. I had to spend one full day for making so many questions. Okay. So these questions, I'm just telling you that, so that I can differentiate, small theta, big theta, omega and all. Okay. So I'm just telling you, I mean, that is my job, right? So I did it because it's my job, but I'm just telling you, I want to tell you students that the life is not going to be simpler than what it is now. Okay. So this is the message for those who are bunking classes to manage time. Okay. So please do not think that by bunking I am able to manage time. Please don't do that, because this is a practice for you to learn to do many things at the same time. Okay, so it is not going to be simpler. It is really, really going to be complex. Just imagine, not only with your job, you will have a family also, and you will have to satisfy everybody, your family members, as well as your the work that is required, for which you will be paid. Right. So everything will be required. So you cannot bunk. Okay. So because you are present today, and I don't know whether you will be present in the coming classes, but I want your presence, students. Okay, because this is what you are supposed to learn, that okay, I am able to attend the class. Okay, I am able to manage my time well. All right, any other doubt means you can ask. I don't know, Kaushik, my machine has become really slow. It is not refreshing also. Or this, okay, I can do one last thing. I can just log out and log in again to check.
Ma'am,
Okay, yeah.
ma'am, that question was there, no, ma'am. Max of f of n
Yeah.
g of n equals theta of f of n plus g of n.
Huh.
Like I got
Yes.
that one wrong, but let us say f of n is n squared and g of n is n. So
F of n is n square and g of n is n. Okay.
so max of f of n g of n is n squared.
Huh. Yes.
So is that can we say that it is order of n squared equals to theta of n squared plus uh,
No, no.
n?
See, no. What you said is fine, but theta and O are not same, no? Right? See, it is order of n, but it is theta means it has to be order of n as well as omega of n, no? It has to satisfy both the bounds, right?
Um,
Understood. That is why this was given. See, why theta was asked. Theta was asked because I knew you know, it will come as order of n. But theta means it has to satisfy order of, it has to be both the bounds, right? O as well as omega.
This should be false, no, ma'am. But then,
Yeah.
Hana,
So what happened there?
hello, ma'am.
Yeah. I can hear you. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Wait.
But then the answer is true. And even in the exam, I selected true itself. I felt theta is proper itself. Like, what is the answer, ma'am?
See,
Maximum of f
it is not
of n.
theta. It is, oh yeah, it is O. So for becoming theta. So the question was for theta, the question was whether it is true or false, right? Correct, no?
Yes.
So if for theta it cannot be true, no. Because it is only O. It for it to be saying, you know, if you want to say it is theta, then it has to be or O
Ma'am,
also, and yeah.
what is the theta of n square plus n cube?
See, theta, so is what it will be, that is a separate thing, right? We are asking whether it will be, now that we may have to find out, right? It will change based on the function. Maybe we cannot generalize it. We cannot generalize it that theta will be depending on maximum or minimum. What will be theta, we don't know.
Then it depends on maximum, ma'am, because there is another question which my friend got. Just
Yeah. But then it is min, no, in that min, that is min.
Yes,
Vishnu has got that. Vishnu has also lost marks in that. Okay.
Yes. Oh,
Yeah.
no,
So
ma'am.
you just think, you just, yeah.
Actually, ma'am, according to the key, my answer is correct. And then from what you are saying and what Priyadarshini is telling, I should be getting 1 mark deducted because of the wrong key. Like, because in the exam it is
No.
written like maximum of f of
Let
n.
me check.
Yes, ma'am.
Just you can wait, Priya. I will just check. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. If
I
the
will
answer is it is only, I will be getting 9. If like you will be correcting the answer key right now, then I will be getting 8. But then I feel like both are same. There
I
is
will
one
check.
question.
I will clarify. I will clarify. Nagendra Kaushik, I cannot see your quiz paper now also. I will check with the backend team, but I don't think so they can do anything. You would not have Nagendra, it is not seen now also. Okay. For Priya, other people can leave, students. Thank you very much. So, yeah, I just wanted to show one thing. See, as per this quiz, we are here. As per the lecture plan, we are here. So, quiz 1, actually, I was supposed to take here L7 graphs. But that means we are going slow as per the course plan. So, we have done quiz 1 with this portion with L6. That is fine. So, next week, we need to complete L7 graphs. Before T1, we must complete L7 graph, so that we will do. Please attend the classes, students. Okay. So I hope you will attend. Anyways, other people can leave now. I will just, Kaushik, I will check it out at the back end what has happened.
Yes,
And
ma'am. Yes.
yeah, for other people can leave. I am just seeing Priya's doubt. Okay, 1 minute. I will go to. No,
ma'am,
why?
and for that
Yeah.
question, I put false, but it is the key answer key is saying that it is true for that
Okay.
max of
Okay, let us do one thing. I will check that question once again, and I will suggest you one thing, okay, so that we collectively know. Okay, anybody, in fact, the whole class should have done that. Let me tell you from where I had taken that question. Okay, it's from the book. Okay, so yeah, in book that is an exercise question. Okay, you can go through which chapter first. Okay, I will re-verify it. Okay, so I have the proof of it also. I mean, the question given in the book is like this, that you need to prove it. Okay, whether it will be true or false, like that. Okay, so I will discuss that tomorrow. Okay, I will discuss that tomorrow, means through WhatsApp I will tell you. You can leave the class now with the explanation. I will tell you. Okay. All right, students. Priya, you can also leave now. I will just give you the proper explanation. And if the key is wrong for min and max for that question.
No, the key is right, I feel. I feel that the like max of f of n, g of n is theta itself. I have put true itself, and then even the key was given true. But then after giving the quiz, Priyadarshan and you were telling that it should be false. Like that's how you were reasoning. So I was just telling you that it
Okay,
should be
so
right.
no. So, okay, so I have said it as true in the quiz. Okay, so let me just find out the explanation for it. Okay, so because I have seen that in book, it is like we have to prove this maximum of Fn and Gn is going to be theta of n. We need to prove it. Like that is the question in the book. Okay, I will go through the
Ma'am,
solution.
I have a
Okay.
doubt. Another
Yeah.
doubt, ma'am. Can I
Yeah.
ask that one?
Yeah.
So
You can.
the question is 5n square plus n log n to the base 2 is order of n square, omega of n square, theta of n square.
Huh.
The options are only 3 is correct, only 2 is correct.
Huh.
None,
All
all
three are
wrong.
correct.
Only
Huh.
one is correct.
Huh.
All,
Huh.
so
So
5n square plus n log n.
answer should be all are correct, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
But
So all should.
here, yes, ma'am.
So
If it is all are correct, then what Priyadarshan asked, that
I have
was
not
it,
I have
ma'am.
not given marks for only I forgot to tell you, only where all are correct you had to select that option only. No partial mark would have been given there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Partial mark is not there because you had that option which says all are correct. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That is fine, ma'am. So I'm telling that if here all the options are correct, then the previous question which Priyadarshan was asking, then there also it will be true itself.
I understood your point,
Like
Priya. I understood
anyway,
it
you
now.
told, ma'am.
No. I got your point. What you are saying. So
Yes,
maximum.
ma'am.
Let
Yes.
me just see. Maximum of n square and n if I want to do it is n square. Okay, so I can always prove it is O of n square, and then can I prove that it is omega of n square? I can prove no, it is omega of n square also, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry, I got confused. Yeah. We
Suppose
can always prove. Yes. So it is going to be theta. Yeah.
yes.
Correct. No. See, it is very simple. I can always say that if I have O of n, I can always say that it is omega of n square. No, I can always say it is omega of n cube. Anything which is more than n, I can say that it is omega of that. So it is correct. The key is also correct. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right. So your answer is correct, Priya. Sorry, I was into searching Nagin's book actually.
Fine.
Yeah. That is correct. That is very much correct. Yeah. So maximum of Fn and Gn is going to be theta of Fn. Yes. No, I mean
If
whatever is
possible,
maximum. Yeah.
if possible, if you can give the reference of it,
I will definitely give. It is our
like
textbook,
if
Priya.
you know, can you mention?
No, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What is given in our textbook? No, in our textbook, the question is asked like this. It's an exercise question wherein it's not true, false, or something. It's like you have to prove. You have to prove that maximum of this is going to be this. And another thing, you have to disprove minimum of this is like that is the question in the book. I will give maybe initial chapter only from book. I will give you the exact page number. I will tell you from where I took the question. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, was it in Goodrich or in Corman, ma'am? Like which?
Corman.
Okay.
Yeah. So for access, for finding your questions, because I want to make standard questions. So I generally, refer your textbook because there are many solved examples plus exercise good questions. So this is from Corman. I will tell you exact chapter number and all. I will just search maybe chapter 5 or 6. I will exactly tell you the reference. Okay. It's an exercise question, but not solved. But it is an exercise question. Not the solved one. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, Priya, you have done correctly. The marks need not be reduced because while making key, I really spend time so that I do not have to redo this work. Okay. Yeah. While preparing question itself, I really spend time so that I don't make mistakes from my side. Okay. Thank you, students. You can leave. Thank you and have a nice weekend. We will meet on Monday. Next week, we will finish graphs. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Priya. Thank you.